So what you can also do is you can arrange a subclip folder by selecting in and out points of a pre-existing video clip right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around and click on Add Media, and I'm going to click on Files and Folders right here. So once I do that, you can see that I have this particular video right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on Open over here. And this is what you have, as you can see. So this is a video clip right here. So I'm going to go around and double click right here and select in and out point right here, just like this, by pressing I and O. So press in and out right here. So once I do that, over here what you can do is you can go around and right click and create a new folder. I'm just going to go around and rename it as field subfolder right here, just like this. So I have a folder. So now I'm going to go around onto list view. That is because that is how it works in. So inside of the list view right here, that is the field subfolder. Let me just go around and click and drag it out, and you can see that portion of the video. Similarly, I'm going to go around and press in and out point, and there's another sub portion right here. In and out point right here. So in and out point, that is another subfolder right here. In and out point, another subfolder right here. In and out point right here, just like this, another subfolder right here. And you can see that there are 5 subclips now. That is how you can work. So if I were to go around and click and drag these out right here, these are the same video clip with different in and out points, as you can see, just like this. And you can see the use section over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and arrange subclips and folders inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.